Okay, and awareness is not about your environment, it's being aware of your own self. Now, what is self-defense? Self-defense simply means self and defense. Self-me. Right? It is you we're talking about. Then the defense is protecting yourself from either external danger or internal danger. Alright? So, having said that, self simply means this is your personal space. So, you need to understand what is your personal space and where is your personal space. Okay, so if someone is coming close to you, is coming very close to your center, we call it center line in martial arts. So you don't allow someone to get into your center line. So you can either give the person side. Alright? Don't ever give somebody your center line. Give the person the side. Because from the side, you can do a lot from the side. And don't ever give somebody your back. Are you getting it? So take note of these basic things. Never give somebody your center line. Except if you are an expert, you can give the center line. But if you are not an expert, just slightly turn like this, give your sideways. Alright, so from here, your hand just come out this way. I guess this. Now this is open palm. This open palm simply means you're for peace, you're not for war. I surrender. Arrest. Alright, I'm compliant, I'm not fighting you. But trust me, with your open palm, you can strike and stable, and you can even what? Endanger the what? The person. The hardest punch is not as strong as an open palm. Now, look, not comparing my fist with that of Tyson. We're not in the same weight category, so I'm not competing that. But you compare Tyson fist with his open palm. Now, check it. Let's just do mathematics. If you're using your fist, hit a wall with your fist, you feel more pain. But then you are thinking, because you clench your fist, you can hit somebody and kill the person. But trust me, in real combat, using your fist can even put you in danger. This coming from a person I've been in martial arts 15 years. I've been in different combats. When I mean combat, when you fight, your mouth cuts, your eye cuts, you have bruises and all that. I'm not telling you what didn't work, it's what works. You know about judo? I've been doing judo for a long time. Judo that take people and hit on the ground. Alright? So I'm not telling you what didn't work, it's what really works. Now your fist can be very strong, no doubt. But to be safer for the ladies, please use your open palm. Alright? If you don't use your open palm, use your hammer fist. Here. You said? Now, let's do a short practical. We short practical closer to the word. If I use my fist and hit this guy with the face here, I can even get myself up. If I can hit this guy like this without much pain, I can hit this guy like this without much pain. You feel the difference? You think what I'm saying is not practical, I'm trying for yourself. Feel the impact. Alright? So if you're hitting somebody at the same